Hi, I'm Karen from Canaries with Karen. Let's go for a stroll down the main strip in the busy evening rush. It's about 8:30 p.m. and there's a few crazy people having fun round about. I'll pop the Tripadvisor rating of a few of the restaurants as we go to help you choose where to eat next time you visit. This video was fantastic fun to make as everyone, well mostly everyone, was in a great mood and many people said hello or waved, which I really enjoyed. My starting point is opposite Playa Grande Beach near the Mumbai restaurant. Enjoy the video.
I have got no fat to jump on.
Right, I will see you guys later, right?
Yeah, no, we're good. Yeah, man.
Are you like
Hola. Where are you? In Aroma?
Which channel are you on? Hola. The card? Which channel is this?
Canaries with Karen. Hola. Which restaurant is yours?
Brian Bro.
I just filmed that.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hola. Tarana at the top there.
Hey, excuse me.
Gonna get run over. We got here a tavern. Hola. How are you doing? Oh, the tavern. That's a really good place. This stroll going on there. Oh, that looks really good. Hola, hola. Your restaurant looks lovely.
How are you, madam?
I'm good. It's busy in there. Hola, hola. Loco. Looks really nice.
Coming up on the left is the beer station where I often pop in for a drink. If you want to help support my channel, I've now got something called Buy Me a Coffee, where you can support my work by clicking the link in the description below and buy me an actual coffee. Check it out, it's pretty cool if you feel inclined. Other ways you can help are to subscribe to my channel, which is free. I'm currently at 662 subscribers and trying to get to the magical 1,000 number, so please help out if you can. You'll be the first to see my videos, and if you've got an idea of a hotel you'd like me to review, please drop it in the comments below, as I'm planning my next trip and would love suggestions of hotels I should visit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.